draw our favorite friend who lives at the end of the rainbow, Mr. Roy G Biv. Now, if you haven't seen this video, there's a link below. It is an excellent song that helps us remember the order of the scientific rainbow. Now, you may notice that it's a little different from the one we use in art because we usually don't include the I for indigo, unless it's a more complicated color wheel with lots more colors in there. Now, if you don't want to follow along in this video, attached is a link to this page. This is a step-by-step visual on how to draw Mr. Roy G Biv himself. But if you want to just follow along with me, we can draw together and you get to listen to all of my silly comments along with it. So let's get started. First thing, we're going to start right in the middle of our paper. We're going to start with his nose. And I'm just going to keep it nice and simple and draw a little upside down U. Just like that. Oh, it's so cute. Next, we're going to do his eyes. Now, it's going to look like I'm drawing his eyes with him asleep. But if we add a little circle right here, you're going to see that it's going to give those little sleepy eyeballs, they're going to wake up. Next, we're going to add some bushy eyebrows. And I'm just going to draw the outside. I'm not going to draw each little hairy line. I'm going to draw something that kind of reminds me, I don't know, slug, a sideways teardrop maybe, raindrop. There we go. Oh, and it's okay if you draw one eyebrow a little raised and one eyebrow down. He's going to have a little bit of personality. All right, next we're going to add his mustache and mouth. I'm going to do the same kind of shape but a little longer for his mustache. A sideways raindrop on both sides. And I'm going to draw a regular U right now for his little mouth. Oh, hey, he's smiling at us. Okay, right now it's just a floating face in a white piece of paper. So I'm going to draw the sides of his head. So I'm just going to go right here. I'm going to draw one side and the other side of Mr. Roy G Biv. And I'm going to connect them with a curved line like this. Now he looks like, I don't know, a block. He looks like a marshmallow with a face. Now is going to be his hat, his Roy G Biv hat. I'm going to go up and I'm going to go back down, kind of like a triangle. If it's sideways, that's okay. That's what he looks like in the video. If it's straight up, that's perfectly fine too. Now, if we think back to the Roy G Biv video, there are, and also if you look at his name, there are a certain number of stripes we need. We need all the colors of the rainbow. So let's look at Roy. So you're going to see we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strips of stripes on his hat. So we will have the 7 colors in the rainbow. So what we actually need is we need 7 stripes, but we're going to add 8 lines inside his hat. So I'm going to start over here. I'm going to turn my paper a little bit too, and I'm going to curve it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. We got all the colors of the rainbow in stripes in his hat when we get to coloring it. All right, now we're going to add his beard because right now his chinny chin chin needs some fluff. So I'm going to go right somewhere over here and I'm just going to make a zigzag line for his beard. I'm going to connect it right back up here. Oh, there he goes. Now still, I'm going to add some ears. There we go. Now you can hear us. Now my step-by-step how to draw just does his face. But in the video, I'm going to show you how to draw his body. So I'm going to go somewhere over here. I'm going to draw a straight line down. I'm going to go on the other side, somewhere like where his head is, right through his beard. I'm going to draw another line. And I'm going to make this into his legs. He kind of has like a black jumpsuit on in the video. Next, I'm going to draw some arms. I do one coming out here. And we'll do one. I want to do one going up because what I'll do is I will also draw his magical prism that he has in his hand in the video too. Now I'm going to draw his hands. And I'm just going to use a bumpy line. Oh, he has a really big pointer finger, people. I'm going to do the same with his feet. I think I gave him 6 feet, but that's okay. All right, now let's do his magical wand, his prism. I'm gonna go up like this. Now this is gonna be a little tricky. You gotta make it look like it's an actual prism. So I'm gonna draw a V. I'm gonna draw the sides like this. I'm gonna do a V on the top. Now it looks right now, doesn't look like a prism, but it's all about the lines that we're doing. So from the top, I'm gonna do another tinier V like this. I'm gonna connect the bottom of it. So you're gonna see the sides are a little bit more diagonal. Do the same thing, I'm gonna do a little V at the bottom. And this is gonna go up, connect, and go down to this corner. And now, I'm gonna connect that in the middle. And of course, we want it to shine. Let's add some shimmer to it. And there you have it. You got Mr. Roy G. Biv. He is all ready to color. So you can use whatever you have at home, markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything else you'd like to do. And hopefully, he will look absolutely fabulous.